Excavator bucket repairing and restoration services in Pakistan involve the process of refurbishing and fixing excavator buckets, which are essential components of heavy machinery used in construction and excavation. Here is a brief description of what this service entails. Comprehensive excavator bucket repairing and restoration services in Pakistan. Excavator bucket repairing and restoration services in Pakistan are pivotal to the construction and excavation industry. These services are the lifeline for excavator buckets, critical components of heavy machinery subjected to harsh working conditions. Over time, these buckets inevitably wear and suffer damage. Repairing and restoring them is not just a necessity but a cost-effective strategy for extending their lifespan and maintaining peak operational efficiency. The elaborate process. 1. Initial assessment. The journey of restoring an excavator bucket begins with a meticulous assessment. This initial step is akin to a diagnostic examination, where experts scrutinize every aspect of the bucket's condition. This includes identifying areas of wear, damage, and potential structural weaknesses. The assessment is the cornerstone upon which the entire repair plan is built. 2. Cleaning and preparation. Before any actual repair work can commence, the excavator bucket undergoes an extensive cleaning process. This ensures the removal of dirt, debris, and any pre-existing coatings. Additionally, the bucket is carefully prepared for repair by grinding or cutting away damaged sections. This meticulous preparation is crucial, as it sets the stage for subsequent repair work, ensuring it can be executed with precision. 3. Welding and patching. The heart of the restoration process lies in the skilled hands of experienced welders or technicians. They employ a range of welding techniques to rectify damage, whether that involves patching holes, addressing cracks, or reinforcing weakened regions. Welding is an art in itself, and the quality of these welds directly influences the bucket's longevity and performance under the most challenging operational conditions. For reinforcement and strengthening, depending on the extent of damage and the anticipated workload, additional reinforcement may be strategically incorporated into critical areas of the bucket. This reinforcement serves as an insurance policy, enhancing the bucket's structural integrity and overall durability, allowing it to withstand the most demanding tasks. 5. Hard facing. For excavator buckets exposed to severe abrasion, hard facing becomes a necessity. This technique involves the application of a wear-resistant material, often in the form of specialized welding rods, to high-wear regions like the cutting edge. Hard facing is akin to providing the bucket with an armor that significantly bolsters its resistance to the erosive forces of its operational environment. 6. Reshaping and balancing. Once the repair operations are successfully completed, technicians embark on the meticulous task of restoring the excavator bucket's original shape and balance. This phase may involve precision reshaping of the cutting edge or meticulous adjustments to the bucket's geometry to ensure it functions precisely as intended. 7. Painting and coating. To safeguard the repaired bucket against corrosion and the harsh environmental conditions it will inevitably encounter, it is meticulously painted or coated with suitable materials. This protective layer not only enhances the bucket's appearance, but also significantly extends its operational life, especially when subjected to the harshest working conditions. 8. Quality assurance. A critical final step in this intricate process is an exhaustive inspection of the repaired bucket. This comprehensive quality control check ensures that all repair work is not just up to industry standards, but that it surpasses them. This scrutiny encompasses everything from the integrity of welding joints to proper alignment and overall functional performance. 9. Delivery and reattachment. Upon successfully passing the rigorous inspection, the rejuvenated excavator bucket is returned to the customer, ready to be reattached to the excavator. This signifies the completion of the restoration process and the readiness of the equipment for deployment in construction and excavation projects across Pakistan. In Pakistan, excavator bucket repairing and restoration services serve as the backbone of businesses within the construction industry. They mitigate downtime, significantly reduce maintenance expenses, and guarantee that heavy machinery operates at peak efficiency, thereby underpinning the success of infrastructure development initiatives throughout the nation. To ensure the highest quality repairs and restoration, it is imperative to select a reputable service provider staffed by experienced technicians who are not just knowledgeable but passionate about the intricacies of these vital tasks.